Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning, sir. My name is Rodriguez Hilario. I'm 29 years old and I'm single, but I have a living partner and we have one son which is 3 years old and I'm a high school graduate. I have four brothers and I am the oldest daughter of the family, and my work experience here in the Philippines is a housemaid. I do serve to a couple which have two children, 3 years old and 7 years old, and I also do household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Okay. So, in abroad, can you handle newborn baby?
Yes, I can.
Why do you want to come to abroad?
I want to earn money for my family,
Who will take care of your son when you work there?
my living partners.
Okay. So, as a first timer, so you cannot avoid to feel homesick. How can you handle it?
To avoid homesick, I will focus to my work and I will treat my employer as my family.
Okay. Are you scared dogs and cats?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No.
Okay. What food can you cook?
I can cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn to cook the Chinese food.
Okay. Or another dishes, are you willing?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay. Can you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Yes,
Can you clean the car without extra pay?
yes,
Can you handle those kids who are snooty?
yes.
Okay, what will you do to catch their attention?
I will encourage them to play or sing a song, and I will be patient to them.
Okay, very good. If ever your employer required you to take care of an elder person in the house, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. I Please accept me as your helper because I am hardworking, I am honest, and I'm cheerful, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. And please, I hope for your positive feedback.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.